Alright, good people, so here we have our foyer makeover. This is the before and this is the after. And all of this was as a result of a toilet mishap. In this video, we'll show you how we created the ultimate entryway that you and your kids will absolutely love.
And with that, let's get started.
So, this was not our first attempt at redesigning our entryway. In another video, we added a bench, some Scrabble letters, and a family photo. And then a twin mishap caused a considerable amount of damage, causing us to have to replace all of the flooring on the first floor. And we also had to redo the master bathroom and the master bedroom. It was quite an ordeal. The foyer was repaired in stages. So here we see how they took out the whole bottom portion of the front wall. This was to allow the bathroom to dry out. They then removed my Scrabble letters and repainted that wall. So here's that same wall with the frames replaced, that outlet replaced, and then I had them do the cutout so that I could showcase art. And since we already had the wiring, I asked them to add a canned light within the cutout. And since the electricians were already here, I also had them replace that chandelier that was in the foyer. Thought it needed some upgrading, so I headed on over to Wayfair. I got this ceiling medallion, which is gorgeous. And I got this chandelier light. It's dimmable. It's reasonably priced and it's 5 stars. So this is the new lighting that was put up top. That chandelier and that medallion, both from Wayfair. They look marvelous. And now it was time to say hello to my little friend. Yes, this piece by Wallida's Designs is called All Night Long. And I've had it tucked away ever since we moved into this home because I didn't have a way to properly showcase it. Well, now I do. That canned lighting really gives this piece the attention it deserves. Still, something was missing, so I ordered those 2 battery-operated remote control sconces from Amazon, and they did the trick. The foyer looks amazing. I absolutely love coming home to this space. It is inviting, it's welcoming, and whenever I have guests, they absolutely cannot walk by this piece without commenting and saying how much they love it. Now, as you'll recall, I used to have a bench in this space where the kids could put their shoes and book bags, but I just think it looks neater and cleaner without the bench. So I moved the bench to my master bedroom, and I think it fits perfectly in that area. And now for our question of the day. Tell us about a space in your home that you and your kids absolutely love. Put your response down in the comments and we'll talk about it below.
Thanks for tuning in. And please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.